choice.
We should go in the sun, right?
Yeah, sure. Doesn't matter. This is honestly fine.
The lighting's good.
Yeah.
You can appreciate the anodization.
Yes, exactly.
The anodization.
So what do you want to start with? You got your saddle, the Sella Italia saddle.
Yep, this came on, so the original inspiration for this build was I wanted to do an old school 90s mountain bike with 26-inch diameter wheels. And I essentially wanted to like gut the whole thing and put a bunch of new weird components on it. It started with me buying this GT on Facebook Marketplace and
we're going way back.
Getting it powder coated, stripping it down, and we go to install the headset on it, and the frame cracks. The only thing I kept from that bike was the seat. And from there, at the shop we were at, we actually found an old school 1995 Schwinn high timber, and that's what this frame is. Got it stripped, powder coated, and then built it up from there. Yeah, we got the
sevens or something. What crank is that?
And it's a Zins. I don't know. I think it's like a BMX brand or something. The actual seat tube was 26.8, but I assumed it was 27.2. So I ended up having to ream this out, and then it still wouldn't seat in all the way. So I took it on a lathe and turned down the end of the dropper post to give myself a bit more clearance, and that's in. China carbon top seat front fork, carbon integrated handlebar stem from FSA. I don't know. I honestly bought the cheapest cool orange anodized headset I could get. Brakes, we got Shimano XTs, hydraulic, fast race dropper, externally routed mechanical dropper. We got the Advent X drivetrain with 11 48 gearing in the back, 42 tooth front chainring, narrow wide. I honestly just bought a set of wheels that were some cool 26. We got the Navi Nix on there from Schwalbe, tubeless, obviously. We've got this wolf tooth components, seat clamp, which is kind of cool. We've got the custom fiddlehead 3D printed logo with the help of, and honestly, mostly he did most of it. Zoltan Glasso with Z9 machining. Shout out.
Huge shout out.
One of the best shops in Pittsburgh. We scanned and then designed this caliper mount, custom to the bike. Drilled an additional hole in the frame. So we have two mounting points in this like rear triangle of the back of the frame, as well as this clamp here. This part was unfortunately burned in the anodization process, so we need to remachine that, re-anodize it. Shout out to Dan also for helping me set up. I've never set up hydraulic brakes, and Dan basically did it all, honestly.
Shelly bike.
That's bike.
Yeah, Dan. Look, I can do that too. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, yeah, it's weird not having a suspension.
You want to go out to the flags and see construction?
Sure, yeah, for sure. Oh God. Sorry. It's, oh God.
Oh my God.
You did that on purpose, you fucker. This is my favorite part of the trail.
Where'd it go? What the fuck?
Oh! Whoa! Yeah, Alex! Sorry, I'm slowing you down.
All good, all good.
Sorry, Alex.
Yeah, it's a brand new build that I've been working on, and I honestly was intentionally like, I want to ride it hard and see what breaks kind of thing.
Yeah. Well, Max, you need another spacer, dude. This is bottom down.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Okay, welcome to Red Bull Rampage. Alex, he's just speed checking. Oh yeah, that'll go.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
There you go.
Okay. All right, skipping that one.
Yeah!
Fuck yeah. 2 wheels off.
Oh. What a noob. Did you hit that drum? Yeah. Damn. For real. It's like Fallout. Have a drink. A drinky.